This video is about getting rid of searcherforyou.com. Searcherforyou.com is the address of a fake search engine. In most cases, addresses like searcherforyou.com are promoted through potentially unwanted applications. For instance, adware-type applications or browser hijackers. It is also known that searcherforyou.com is promoted using a browser hijacker called PDF converter for you. Although it is likely other potentially unwanted applications promote this fake search engine too. It is worth saying that many people do not download and install potentially unwanted applications knowingly or use fake search engines intentionally. Also, it is common for browser hijackers to be designed to collect information about their customers and their browsing activities. Therefore, if you have discovered this searcherforyou.com to be the part of your Google Chrome browser or any other browser on your Mac, consider removing it as soon as possible. First thing you should do is to go to your available Mac applications. It could be that the adware or the hijacker is concealed here in the system, so you need to right-click on it and move it to the trash. Secondly, go to your browser menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you'll find any suspicious extensions here. If you find them, you need to deactivate and then remove them completely. I also recommend that you go to the System Preferences, and if you find any suspicious profiles here, get rid of them. Finally, my strong recommendation is that you research your Mac automatically with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the webpage combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database, then click on Start Combo Scan, which will initiate the complete research and analysis of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As I said, the program initially is in the trial mode. However, the antivirus feature will give you the detailed and full report about the threats on your Mac. You may click on Review Results and you will see the exact number of threats, and not only the list of threats, but their location too. For instance, we have this particular threat, this very first one. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats, so this will help you to remove them manually. Or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.